Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Student, we are continuing with 9th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th. The name of chapter is Financial Management, and today we are going to discuss about fixed capital, its factors, working capital, its types and factors. So let's begin with fixed capital. Fixed capital involves allocation of firm's capital to long-term asset or projects. Managing fixed capital is related to investment decision, and it is also called capital budgeting. The capital budgeting decision affect the growth and profitability of the company. Now, what are the factors which affect the fixed capital of the company? It is nature of the business, scale of operation, techniques of production, technology upgradation, growth prospect, diversification, availability of finance and leasing facility, and level of collaboration. So these are the 8 factors which affect the fixed capital in any enterprise or company. Now moving to working capital. Working capital refers to excess of current assets over the current liability. We require WC for meeting our day-to-day business expenses. Basically, they are of 2 types. First is gross WC and second is net WC. Gross WC refers to the investment in all current assets such as cash, BR, prepaid expense, inventories. These current assets get converted into cash within an accounting year, that is 1 year. For example, cash, debtors, BR, work in progress, raw material, prepaid expense, etc. Net WC, this refers to excess of current asset over current liabilities. And let's see what are the factors which affects the WC. So basically there are around 12 factors that affects the WC of the company. Starting with nature of business. Second is scale of operation. The firm operating at large scale needs to maintain more inventory, debtors, etc. Business cycle fluctuations like boom, recession, depressions, and recovery. These are the 4 phases of the business cycle. In every phase, the requirement of the WC is affected. Seasonal factor. WC requirement is constant for the companies which are selling goods throughout the season, whereas the companies which are selling seasonal goods require huge amount during season as more demand, more stock has to be maintained and fast supply is needed. Then comes the technology and production cycle. Now the next is credit allowed and credit avail. Credit policy refers to the average period for collection of sale proceeds. And credit availability. Another factor related to the credit policy is how much and for how long period company getting credit from its supplier. Then comes operating efficiency. The firm having high degree of operating efficiency requires less amount of WC. Then comes the availability of raw material. Then comes level of competition. If the market is competitive, then company will have to adopt liberal credit policy and has to supply goods on time. Higher inventories have to be maintained to more WC is required. Inflation. If there is an increase or rise in price, then the price of raw material and cost of labor will rise. It will result in increase in WC requirement. And next comes the growth prospect. This is the last factor which affects the WC of any business enterprises. Firm planning to expand their activities will require more amount of WC. As for expansion, they need to increase their scale of production, which means more raw material, more inputs are required. So more we require WC. So growth prospect, inflation, level of competition, and availability of raw material operating efficiency, credit policy, technology, seasonal factor, business fluctuation affects the WC of the company. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.